ChatGPT Image Gen 2 is absolutely insane, and it absolutely makes Gemini look like a beta product. Look at this. Okay, I have done like a ton of research, and in this video, I'm going to show you two of the most important use cases because of which I personally use AI, image creation, right? So, one is creating social media content like infographics to post on LinkedIn, and second is YouTube thumbnails. So this is my limitation. I mean, and third is ad, obviously. I'm gonna show you all the three one by one and see how uh, ChatGPT fares as compared to Google Gemini. Okay, let's have a look. The first one is infographic. This was the same prompt I did both. Create a visually rich infographic about the topic, and I pasted the topic. I actually gave very detailed instructions on how the topic should be created, and it created this. Okay, Gemini created this. Nano Banana Pro. All right. And then I obviously didn't go further than that. I uploaded like a reference file, and then I asked it to decipher it. This was from some LinkedIn post that I found, and then asked it to redo my image, and it did create a very, very nice image that I posted. So absolutely love a ChatGPT image for this. So +1 on ChatGPT. So after this, we went ahead and started doing thumbnails. Okay. So I uploaded two pictures of one, my own picture, and second, a picture of a dashboard that I built. And I said, hey, this is the SEO title and description of the thing. Create a minimalistic thumbnail for this video and add my picture and dashboard. The same thing with Gemini, with even more prompt where I said, hey, give me 16:9 thumbnail. ChatGPT gave me this, and after a little bit of things, it gave me a little bit of editing. It gave me this. In fact, I asked it to give me more variations. It created more variations, and it gave it to me. And this is actually pretty good. Okay, this gave me this. You see the difference? +2 on ChatGPT. All right. Now, the third segment, I did not compare this with Gemini. So let's try it out. Okay. Let's actually try it out. I will go ahead and this one. This is ad creative that I created for one of my clients, and this is because I already love ChatGPT right now. ChatGPT image. I use this, so I uploaded the logo, a reference image, and a picture of my client, and I added a copy. And this is what ChatGPT has to create. And obviously, I created a bunch of other creatives. Let us also do Gemini. I recently realized who Steve Cook was, by the way. All right, cool. So let's copy the same prompt, put it here, and here we want to use, although we don't need Pro, but how? And then I'll just copy the same logo, and then the same reference image, and the picture of my client that I want it to replace with. Okay. You guys saw ChatGPT. Let's see Gemini. Let it finish creating, and I'll get back to you. And it created this, which you compare this to this, +3 on ChatGPT again. So yeah, I think this is like the next level of growth on AI image generation. And I'm coming from a marketer's perspective. I don't create beautiful images; they are of no use to me. But this is definitely something that is a game changer. So if you are not yet switched to ChatGPT images yet, please consider switching. This is awesome. All right. Thanks. Bye.